Hi, I'm Mandy from Fit to Sew. Welcome to series 1 of my So You Want to Make a Bra group of video tutorials. Now I'm assuming that if you're watching this, you're probably just at the beginning of your bra making adventures. It's a bit bewildering, isn't it? When I started out a few years ago, there weren't really many bra patterns out there, at least none that weren't particularly matronly or the kind of thing that my mum probably would have worn donkey's years ago. But I found pics on the internet of the Shelley bra by Pin-Up Girls, Beverly Johnson's design company. And to me it looked pretty much like the kind of bra that I had been getting from Marks and Spencer's, my favourite ready-to-wear style. And so having realised that you can get a bra pattern that looks like the kind of styles that you would like to buy in ready-to-wear, I was off and running. Now there are loads of patterns out there, lots of designers, quite a few of whom were trained by Beverly. So that's good. More choice, more patterns, fabulous. If you know what you're doing. If you already know what you're looking for, or you have some idea of what sort of style and type and so on that you want. But if you're not sure, if you're a complete beginner, you haven't the faintest clue, then it can be a bit daunting. So I want to try and demystify bra types as opposed to styles. There are loads and loads of styles, but to me there are just 3 main types of bra: the underwired bra, the wire-free bra, and a bralette. So let's get up close and personal with some of those, and I'll talk you through them as you can see the differences and so on.